So Kenzie, you had a little accident not last week, the week before.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about that.
Someone backed into my dad's van.
And you were in the van?
Yeah.
Okay. How did it make you feel?
It was scary.
Scary. Okay. So we're going to muscle test, all right? Hold strong. And now you've got a nice strong muscle there. Okay, I'll just hold up to the camera, okay? And hold. It's nice and strong. Now just think about that day. Got it? Okay, so you can see that's causing the muscle to collapse, right? Okay. So just going to do some stress release, and all we need to do is hold your fingers like so. Close your eyes and just remember what you remember that day. See what you saw, feel what you felt, and even hear the noise. And tell me when you've finished. Finished? Okay. Just do it another time. Just do it one more time. And this time it'll be quicker. Finished? And one last time. Okay. So these are stress release points. Now let's see what happens. You hold. Now think about that accident you had. Oh no. Nice one. So by doing that, and playing it back in your mind, you have released the stress that was in your body. Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Good. Well done.